Alright guys, check it out. Money Making Mondays is in progress and we're done. Everything was successful. Vizcaya's Garden Care helped us out with their professional tree trimming crew. Man, they brought all their tools and everything that we needed, and look at pine tree's gone, fellas. You've probably seen all the progression as we went. The little videos that we showed. We go from there. So here's the reason they had to take out that pine tree, fellas. Check it out. Just growing into the wall, taking the poor little shed out in the back. Big pieces. So she left this wood here to avoid a triple charge on the last thing. So we'll only go to the dump once. I'll show you how trucky looks, man. She is full today. But Money Making Mondays was a success. Shout out to Vizcaya's for helping us out. Check it out, here's Trucky. One tree, one truck. She was Batman today, fellas. Send in your stickers, we'll put them on there. So, there you go. And then we gotta be a professional to make it look like this. One big tree, one small truck.